In this video, let us see how to convert the PDF to ebook file format using Python. Here you can see we have a PDF file here. After conversion to ebook using Python, it will look like this. You can see this is the ebook file that we have converted from PDF. And you can also open up the same ebook file from the mobile application as well. You can see that you can use any ebook file reader. Let us see how to convert this PDF to ebook using Python. As usual, this is the input file that I have taken. So there are many Python libraries to do this, but the best one that I will recommend is using this Calibre software. Consider Calibre ebook management. So if you use the Python libraries, it will only use the wrapper only. And if you want to have a proper alignment and structure as the PDFs, then is the best option available out there. So it is available for all operating system. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS as well. So if you want to deploy to the VPS, you can go with the Linux option. So let me click on download Calibre, and you can say it is available for these 3 operating systems. So I'm gonna select the Windows over here, and let me download the software now. You can say it is downloading. Just give you a few minutes. So once it is downloaded, just click on open file now. So you can also do this for the Linux as well. So if you want to deploy this to the VPS, you can go with the Linux option and install the Calibre on the VPS. So let me download this software now. So just accept the terms and condition and click on install. Now it has successfully installed. And let me uncheck this option and let me click on finish. So once you have installed, if you want to verify if the installation is successful or not, open up your command prompt and here just type ebook convert ---- version. So if you get any output like this, that means the Calibre software has been successfully installed. Let me close this one. So then what I will do is I have a project folder over here in my desktop. Let me go to desktop and this is the folder now. Let me open up the folder in the Visual Studio Code. So inside this folder, I have Python script and the input PDF file. So you can say this is the Python script. Let's import the libraries that we need for the project now. So we need the subprocess and we need the pathlib. So that is from pathlib, we're going to import the path. Then let's define a function PDF to EPUB. And inside this, we will take 2 parameters. The first one is the input path and the output path where we want to save the file. And inside this, what we will do is we will first set the input path. So input path equal to, we will convert it as a path object. Then if the user didn't provide the output path, so if the output path is none, so we will use the input path as a output path. So input path equal to input path that which space. So we're gonna set the extension to EPUB, because if the user didn't provide the input path, what we will do is we will get the same name, but we will change the extension to EPUB. So that's it. Then let's open up a type block over here. So subprocess that run. So inside this, we will use the ebook converter. So ebook converter. Earlier we have checked, right? We have checked the version, right? So that is what we are using over here, ebook convert. So to this ebook convert, we are passing 2 parameters. The first one is the input path. So make sure you convert it to the string. The second one is the output path. Then make the check equal to true. So if the conversion is success, we will print a message like conversion successful. But if we got any error, so we will catch the error in the except block. Then we will simply print your message like conversion failed. So that's it. So then what we can do is we can call it function and let's pass the input path now. So the console is the sample input that I want to convert this to ebook file format. So let me pass the file name over here. That is sample pywin.py. And you can also skip the output path as well, because it will take the input file name and change the extension. So we can send the output path to none. So basically this is optional parameter. So let me run the Python script now. So Python name.py and press enter, and it should consider conversion has been started, and we got the ebook file format. You can say generating default cover for us. And that's it, we got the file over here. Consider is the file and check the name. Since we didn't provide the output name explicitly, it used the input file name and changed the extension to .epub. And if you want to open this, you have the Calibre software as well. So that software can be used for the both file conversion as well as the file opener as well. So you can use that as well. So what I will do is I will open the software over here. Just in the search bar, just type Calibre. You can say this is the software. Let me open the software now. And here you need to select the language. So I'm gonna select English and click on next. And you consider starting up. Just give a few minutes. And here this is the dashboard. You can have many options over here, but we will stick with Ebook we want to view, right? So just click on Ebook, and this is the file that we have converted, right? Select the file and click on open. Consider reading metadata, and we got the default cover as well. And that's it. This is how you convert the PDF to ebook file reader using Python. And if you want to view this, just click on view button at the top. So make sure you select the ebook and click on view, and you consider this the ebook. So if you want to see the next page, just click on next button. You consider this is how you convert a PDF to ebook file format, that is the EPUB. And yeah, so if you can also pass the output file name as well. So instead of having the default name, you can pass additional parameter like the output file format. You can have the additional output file name. So let me run the Python script again, and this time it will save the file with the output name that we have passed. And let me add that new file over here, and you consider this the new one, output.epub. So let me open this second book as well. You consider it identified both the previous one and this one is same metadata. So what we can do is, I'm gonna add OK now, and you consider both the files have the same metadata only, because we have converted from the same PDF, right? So let me open up the latest one. So once you have selected the ebook, just click on view now. It will open up the ebook file for you. And yeah, you consider this is the ebook file format, and it also looks pretty good, right? So let me maximize this one, and you can also open the same file from the mobile application as well. And here you can see this is my sample ebook file reader application, and I have downloaded the file over here. Consider sample pywin. So let me open up the application over here, and consider it also supports the mobile application as well. So yeah, this is for this video. This is how you convert the PDF to ebook using Python using the Calibrate software. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.